The Kegco HL62 Series regulators have been expertly designed to solve the problems that affect most regulators on the market. They are built tough to stand up to the rigors of the busiest bars and breweries. These regulators feature a multi-stage body for precise control when making small adjustments to the output pressure. The first stage reduces the output pressure from the tank to a more manageable pressure, and the second stage fine-tunes that pressure for output to the keg. This, in addition to the large aluminum adjustment knob, allows you to make quick and accurate adjustments by hand effortlessly, even in freezing temperatures. A welcome relief for anyone who has tried to adjust a frozen regulator. Each model includes both an output pressure gauge and a tank pressure gauge so you know when you're running low on gas. Each gauge is protected by a rubber boot to help prevent damage in the event of a fall. The shutoff valves include a built-in check valve to prevent backflow into the regulator. A pull ring pressure relief valve allows you to quickly reduce pressure to your system. The included 1/4-inch FNPT hose barbs are for use with 5/16 ID hose. With single and double output versions for both CO2 and nitrogen, you're sure to find a Kegco HL62 Series regulator that is perfect for your application.